In this video, we're going to look at fonts. Let's begin by adding fonts to our theme. You can see some preset font sets here. Just like with colors, you can customize these so that the default header and body are a certain font. Here I'm trying to pick some fonts that mesh with the feel I'm going for with my background. This is going to create cohesion in my theme. Everything will feel like it goes together. And just like with the color sets, I simply name my font set and then I can use it whenever I want, and I can set it to be the default for the theme that I'm making. But where exactly can you get fonts? Sure, you can find free fonts all over the internet, but one of my favorite places to get fonts is Squirrel, which I'll link in the description below. What I like about Squirrel is that you can get free fonts that are licensed for commercial work. So if you create an awesome lesson or material, then you can put it on TeacherPayTeacher or Etsy or any site like that and rest at ease. Squirrel shows you what licenses a font has and lets you filter your search that way too, along with searching by class or style. In fact, here you can see the font I use for my content right here. So let's pick a font and walk through installing the font on Windows. Once your font is downloaded, go ahead and unzip or expand it to whatever directory you choose. Mine usually stay in the Downloads folder. Now you can simply right-click on the font file and select Install. For all users is for anyone that will log onto the computer. Once it's done, you should be able to open a software of your choice, and there it is. Well, that's how to set theme fonts and one place to find some. I hope you learned something useful. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or questions of your own, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, guys. Catch you on planning.